children, welcome to EVS online class. In previous class, we did the lesson number 1, my body, we finished already, isn't it, children? So I told next class, we are going to start exercise part. See, page number 163. See the book, page number 163, exercise part, that is the first main, fill in the blanks. Okay, open all of you open your books. See page number 163, I written already. In that first main, fill in the blanks. I hope all of you got textbooks, isn't it, children? Yes. See semester 1. Semester 1, class 1, in the TVS part, page number 163. See, first main, fill in the blanks. See what they given here. We use our dash to hold things. We use our dash to hold things. Which organ we are using here? Tell me. Yes, we use our hand. Okay, we use our hand to hold things. Come to the second one. See, H-A-N-D, hand. While writing, you should spell the spelling, children. H-A-N-D, hand. Okay. Next, our legs help us to. Our legs help us to dash and dash, dash and dash. Our legs help us to dash and dash. So, we use our legs to, yes, tell me. Yes, to walk, to run, to hop. Isn't it, children? To climb. So, write two things. Walk and climb. See, our leg help us to walk and climb. W-A-L-K, walk. Climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb. Okay? Next, come to the third one. We have dash sense organs. We have dash sense organs. How many sense organs we have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. Yes, tell me what are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Isn't it, children? Yes, come to the fourth one. We listen to music with our dash. We listen to music with our dash. We listen to music with our ear. With our ears. Come to the fifth one. We can feel objects with our dash. We can feel objects with our dash. We can feel objects with our skin. It may be hot or cold, soft or hard. We can feel through skin. Isn't it, children? Yes. So, I'll repeat it once. See, We use our dash to hold things. We use our hands. H-A-N-D, hand. Next, our legs help us to dash and dash. Our leg help us to walk, W-A-L-K, walk, and climb, C-L-I-M-B, climb. Okay, we have dash sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. We listen to music with our dash. We listen to music with our ears, E-A-R-S, ears. Come to the fifth one. We can feel objects with our dash. We can feel objects with our skin. S-K-I-N, skin. While writing, you say the spellings and write. And after that, you have to practice these like a hard words. Make it hard words and you have to practice. Hand, walk, climb, skin, ears. These are all spellings you have to write in rough note. Okay, 5 times are. How many times you want? You write. You have to learn the spellings. Then come to the second main. Go to next page. That is match the following. See the given picture here. One side they given organs and other side they given pictures, objects. So you have to match it. Okay. See A side what they given. I'll read it once. Tongue, eyes, nose. Then come to the B side. Leg, ears and hand. See the center. They given words. That is smell, write, see, taste, heat, walk. Okay? You should match it. See the first picture. What is this? Tongue. So we use the tongue. We use our tongue to taste the food. Isn't it, children? So we use our tongue to taste. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one. Right. First tongue. Taste, T-A-S-T-E, taste. Then come to the second picture, eyes. See they given to see, S-E-E-C, same line is there. See, mark it here, one line, okay. Draw the line here, okay. Eyes to see. Then, what is this picture? Nose, nose to smell, S-M-E-L-L, smell, to smell the things. Okay, from nose we are smelling, isn't it, children? Yes, see first one, first word, S-M-E-L-L. Third picture, A side, first word. Okay, draw a line here. Next, come to the this side. See the picture, what is this? Leg, leg to walk. We use our leg to walk, W-A-L-K, walk, last one. Okay, here, from here to here, make it line. Then come to the second, fourth, fifth picture, ear, ear. We use our ear to hear the voice, H-E-A-R, hear. See, from ear to ear. Okay, next, last, hand. We use our hands to write, W-R-I-T-E, write. We use our hands to write. Okay, so if you didn't understand, if you didn't get this, so take your parents' help and mark it. Okay, children. Then come to the third mind. Fill in the blanks with right answers. Third mind. Fill in the blanks with right answer. So, first, what they given? We write with our dash. We write with our dash. What they given in the bracket? Hands and legs. You have to choose the correct answer. See, question what they given? We write with our, which one? You write with our hands. So, we write here hands. We write with our hands. Then, or underline. Okay, do it. Next, second one. Our legs help us to. Our legs help us to dash. So what they given in the bracket? Ride or walk. Our leg help us to. Tell me the answer, you know. Yes. Our leg help us to walk. So underline here. Then come to the third one. We have dash sense organs. We have dash sense organs. How many sense organs we have? Yes, they given 5 or 6. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Underline it. Okay. Then come to the fourth one. Our tongue help us to dash. Our tongue help us to dash. So the given taste or smell. Tell me correct answer. Which one is correct? Our tongue help us to taste the things. Isn't it, children? Taste the food. It may be bitter, sour, salty, sweety. Isn't it, children? So our tongue help us to taste the things. Come to the fifth one. We can So fifth one, we can dash what they given, see or feel. We can dash whether a thing is hot or cold. Is hot or cold. So we can dash whether a thing is hot or cold. We can see or we can feel. Which one is the answer? We can feel. If you feel only the thing, it may be hot or cold. You can identify, isn't it, children? So the answer is feel. We can feel the thing, whether the thing hot or cold. Then come to the fourth main. See, I think all of you have textbook. Don't write all these things in your textbook. Write only the answers. What I written here, see, you write only the answers and practice it in rough note. Okay. Then come to the fourth main. Write 2 things for each as shown. Write 2 things. Okay. See, their first one, they given one example. So, see, first, what we see with our eyes, we can see television, we can see books. Isn't it, children? you have to write the two things. See, so first one I am not going to write, second one, okay? Second one here. So we can hear radio voice. We can hear radio, isn't it, children? Radio and mobile sounds. Then third one, smell. Smell. Tell me two things. We can smell the food, isn't it? Different types of food. And we can smell flowers, different flowers, fragrance. We can smell, no? Yes. Two things you have to write. Then fourth one, feel. So we can feel, to hold thorn, Thorn. Thorn means mullu. Gulabi hoonalli iruttalla mullu. So if you touch that, you can feel, isn't it, children? Then you can feel like ice cube or quill. If you hold ice cube in your hand, what you feel? It's very hot. No, it's very cold. You can feel it's very cold. So, fifth one, touch. So, write two things here. If you touch the feather, how you feel? It's very soft, isn't it, children? Then, if you touch the ball or stone, you feel hard, isn't it? If you hold the stone in your hand, you can feel it's hard. Same in the same way, if you can feel, if you hold feather in your hand, you can feel it is very soft, isn't it, children? Yes, these two things you have to mention. Okay, so write two things for each as shown. Here we can hear with our ear, radio sound, mobile sound. Then smell, we can smell with our nose different types of food that may be good, tasty, tasty food. We can smell, no? So flower, different type of fragrance, it will come from flowers. So then feel, we can feel thorn. If you touch the thorn, you can feel. If you hold the ice cubes in your hand, you can feel like a cold, isn't it, children? Yes. Then touch. If you touch a feather, bird's feather, you can feel it's very soft. Then you can hold ball or stone, that is very hard. You can feel that these things if you hold. Okay, you have to write these things. Then come to the fifth main. They given what they given. Answer the following questions. No need to write here in their textbook. So we will give in PDF only. We'll scan and send in PDF. Okay, children? Don't write this in the textbook. This main don't write in the textbook. Then come to the last. Think about it. List the activities where you use the following. See, I will show one for this. Next class onwards, you have to write these activities. Think about it. Okay? See, they given in the box. My hands and my legs. Then my eyes. So list the activities where use the following. List the activities where you use the following. Okay. You have to list what you will do in your hands. You have to write. So you will eat in your hands. With your hands you will eat, no? Yes. Then tell me one by one. What you will do in your hands? To eat, to write. You will use your hands to write. Isn't it, children? Yes. Then to hold things. To hold things. Then to clap. We are using our hands to clap. Then to draw. Draw the things. Some pictures. Okay. Then come to the legs. So we use our legs to stand. We use our legs to stand. Then to walk. Tell me one by one, you know. Yes, we use our legs to stand, to walk, to jump. To jump, to hop, to run. Isn't it, children? So, to run, to hop. So, they given only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes they given. You have to write that much only enough. Okay. Then come to the eyes. What you will do with your eyes? To see things. You will see different things with your eyes, isn't it? Then to see pictures. Sorry. To see colors, different colors. We will see with our eyes different colors. Then different sizes, different shapes. So you have to write like this. This one example I am showing you. In next class onwards, you have to write. Okay? Think about it means that is your work. You have to think and write. What do you wear or what they given? So you have to write. See my hands they given with your hands. What you will do? So you have to think. Yes, I will eat with my hand. I will write. Yes, I hold the things. I clap. I draw. So like that. Then my legs. So with our legs, we can stand, walk, jump, run, hop. Isn't it, children? With my eyes, what we'll see? We see things, then see pictures, then colors, sizes, shapes. So you have to think and write. See, this is one. You write down in the textbook. Then, see, one homework I will give, hard words. Okay. So you have to write these spellings: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Okay. Then function, organs, breathe, bitter, salty. Okay, you have to write 5 times in homework book. Okay, this is homework for you. See, eyes. These are all sense organs. You know now. Yes, EYES, eyes. You have to tell the spellings and write. Ears, EARS, ears. Nose, NOSE, nose. Tongue, TONGUE, tongue. Skin, SKIN, skin. Function, FUNCTION, function. Organs, ORGANS, organs. Breathe, BREATHE, breathe. Bitter, BITTER, bitter. Salty, SALTY, salty. Okay, so in the next class we'll do the new lesson, that is my family. Yes, be ready children. Okay, thank you.